Welcome to the Holistretch family. In a world where our health is rapidly declining and we can no longer trust outside resources to provide what we need for our health and vitality, the holistic stretch community emerges as a source of empowerment. We firmly believe that healing is an inside job, and how we treat our body has a direct impact on our life experience. At Holistretch, our journey begins with organic superfoods and the transformative power of stretching. Hi, I'm Frances Eve, and it is my mission here on this earth to guide you into your freedom and sovereignty. Together, we will unravel the mysteries between the intimate connection of the body and mind through practices such as injury prevention, inner stillness, and gut health. By subscribing to Holistretch, you will gain access to exercise classes, meditations, and superfood guidance, as well as techniques for stretching your family, friends, and clients. I commend you for taking your health and wellness into your own hands. Subscribe today, and I'll see you on the inside.